Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. It helps keep all the parts in your engine moving freely so they're not grinding against one another, which creates friction, and that's bad. Plus, oil keeps your engine clean so it runs more efficiently and lives a longer life. Fact is, high engine temperatures along with constant grinding breaks the oil down. Over time, oil loses its slickness. When this happens, you may hear a clacking noise at startup or when accelerating. See the Oil Life Monitor message in your dash or a low oil level on the dipstick. It's time for an oil change. Old school thinking was every 3,000 miles. Today's intervals can go as far as 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Check your owner's manual for oil change intervals and Oil Life Monitor system information. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.